What is going on? Look at this. This is a Madden glitch, fellas. Look at this.
I'm not even kidding.
My whole team is on you right now. Your whole team's around you, and your guys just running in place. What is going on?
Jackson is on it.
Oh my god.
Is that Deshaun?
I don't know what's going on right now, dude. Look at everybody falling, getting back up. Oh my god. What do we do? What do we do? I'm putting this on YouTube.
Dang it.
Does anybody at home know how to, like,
The clock's not even moving.
fix this? The clock's not moving? Yeah, it is. The clock's going.
Oh my god.
The clock is still going. This whole quarter is gonna be this. Oh my god. Does anybody know what is going on?
I'm moving. I'm getting.
Alright, once I get this on YouTube, somebody comment and tell me what the heck is going on right now, please. I've never seen this in my life.
I'm on. Look.